One.
Hi guys! So right now we're here at Barangay Salvacion, Municipality of Rizal. And right now nandito tayo sa isang transient house sa isang relative ng friend namin na si Aero. And as you can see, this is really a nice place. You have this wide porch where you can sit and like reflect and see this beautiful view that you have. Nasa highway lang siya pero maganda yung view. And the design is very modern but it's very aesthetical pleasing like those pictures na nakikita natin sa Pinterest. So right now, we're gonna welcome you what's inside. So let's see.
Ikaw saan ka?
Yeah.
Hello guys! This is the living room. As you can see, very spacious. Yung And dito yung mga sofa for the visitors, kung meron man. And we are the visitors here. So, share mo yung kitchen!
Pero ginanap pa namin yung ano. So here is the kitchen, guys.
I love the
So,
flowers.
di ba, ang dami yung mga gamit. Mga uy, Himalayan pink. So, ano kayo nasa na? Wala, nagbili pa tayo. Salt tape, salt and pepper. Herbs. So yes, tingnan mo ang laman ng aming ref. Ito hindi na naniniwala ko yun sa ano. Uy, meron pa ice pack dito eh.
Yes, kaya nga. May magagamit na tayo for yellow. For the next room naman, let's go!
So hi guys! Ngayon welcome sa aming bathroom. So as you can see, masyado siyang malawak. Kasi pina-customize namin siya. Kasi ayaw namin masyado ng masikip. Kasi parang hindi ba siya suffocating. So as you can see, this is the shower area. And then this is the bathroom. Tapos after mo mag-shower or bathroom, pwede ka dito mag-skincare. Okay, di ba? This is the sink and the mirror. Tapos after mo maligo, may mga available towels na dito. Yan, mga different colors, white, blue, brown, gray, at iba pa. Tapos kapag tapos ka na magpatuyo or mag-shower, gusto mo mag-do your some skincare dito. Yan, upo ka lang dito. Mag-inarte-arte ka dito. So yung ganyan. Tapos di ba, masyado siyang malawak yung bathroom. Tapos pwede ka dito mag-tumbling. Ayan, pwede ka mag-tumbling. Di ba? Unbelievable. So yun guys. Oh my God.
Hello! Welcome to our room where you can relax. And also, we only have here a single bed. Pero madami kami dito mamayang matutulog. And lastly, our sofa na sobrang fluffy. And we also have here a television. And an maganda. May sampung piso dito. Mga pillow fight. Maganda, may confesso sa kumakita.
Uy, gagawin. Natsan po. Uy, ano mag-ingat kayo?
Kala ko dito ka.
Ano magagawin?
Token.
So one of the highlights of this transient house is this unfinished pool. But nakikita natin maganda na siya as it is. But napapaligiran siya ng mga puno, ng mga halaman. Not only puno, pero fruit-bearing trees and other vegetables there. There's the garden. And yeah, this is very relaxing. And overall, this gives a 10 out of 10 vacation house that you can visit whenever you want to have fun with your friends, family, and other relatives that you are close with.
Bye-bye.